This is our third season with this electric fireplace insert and we absolutely love it. As you can see, it creates such a warm, beautiful ambiance in our living room without the hassle of having a real fire and all that comes with it. It's about 27 inches on the side and about 35 inches across. I love how real the logs look. Like they actually look like they're really, really hot. That was the selling point for me on this. It's just really beautiful to look at. It's also got a really stylish brick backdrop. It's easy to control with the remote control or the panel on the front here. So with the remote control, you can adjust the flame, so you can make it a lower flame or turn it off altogether. You can also turn on the crackling sound, or you can hear what that crackling actually sounds like. It's like a real fire. You can also turn on the heat to high or low. There's a fan in here that will blow out the warm air into the room, and it really does make the living room a lot warmer. If you don't have a fireplace, but you want that warm, beautiful glow and the wonderful ambiance it brings, then I highly recommend getting this electric fireplace insert. It's gonna instantly elevate your living room and make it feel so cozy this winter.